Hi, my name is Anand Kumar Mahaseth, and I'm coming from Bihar state Katihar city, and I joined past 4 months in Jspiders Basavanagudi to become a month's tech developer. And so yeah, I wanted to share my incredible experience in the Jspiders Basavanagudi. So here the trainers is really good, helpful, and I need to mention the name of the trainer who is the HOD of the month's tech. The Syed sir, it is really what they explain during the classes, during the project, during the grooming session. It is really helpful for me to grow up my career here. So, and Vivek sir, who is teaching like really nice, and in the way of like joking, it is really helpful for us, like a student, yeah. And Harsha sir is taking the class of DSA. It is really nice, and what they explain about the LinkedIn topic, anything. So, like the people who are the trainer here, they will explain like the complex topics to like a basic understanding for the students, which is really like helpful for the students, for me also as well as. So yeah, and one more thing I need to add, like if you people want to come to like become grow up your career in the software development, don't think about it, just come and join the Jspider. It is really like helpful for you. You guys can like nail it, everything you guys nail it. So because trainer is really nice, what the people taught, what the people learn, like yeah, that's it. So thank you for the day. Have a nice day.